Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best rhinestones are probably one of the most versatile and dazzling embellishments available for crafters, offering a way to add sparkle, dimension, and a touch of luxury to virtually any project, from custom apparel and accessories to home decor and personalized gifts, making them an indispensable tool for anyone looking to elevate their creative endeavors with a touch of glamour and sophistication. Number 5. Worthofbest Hot Fix Rhinestone Applicator Toolkit. Get ready to sparkle. This is the ultimate all-in-one kit, providing everything you need to start creating immediately. It includes a massive collection of premium glass rhinestones and elegant ceramic pearls. Craft with confidence thanks to our upgraded applicator. It features a high-quality built-in fuse for enhanced electrical safety and ultra-stable heating. You can rely on consistent, optimal temperature for perfect adhesion every time. Achieve flawless results without damaging your fabrics. Our specially engineered applicator tips concentrate heat precisely on the embellishment, allowing for ultra-precise placement even on delicate materials. We've included all the practical accessories to make your crafting experience smooth and safe. Keep your workspace organized and protect yourself with the included stand, glove, tray, and helpful tools. Elevate your projects with two stunning decorative options. Combine brilliant glass rhinestones for maximum sparkle with elegant matte ceramic pearls for a sophisticated look. Both feature strong hot melt adhesive for lasting results. This kit is perfect for customizing a wide range of items. Personalize clothing, shoes, bags, and create unique handmade gifts. Let your creativity shine on any project. What we like. This kit offers an unparalleled all-in-one experience, ensuring you have everything you need to start crafting immediately. Its upgraded safety applicator with a premium mute fuse provides enhanced electrical safety and stable heating. If you are looking for a comprehensive and safe option for detailed fabric embellishments without worrying about overheating or fabric damage, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These rhinestones are perfect for adding sparkle to various craft projects. The adhesive on the back of these rhinestones is strong and holds well on fabric and paper. Comes with a variety of sizes, which is great for different design needs. Number 4. TANOSII Sew-On Rhinestones Mixed Shapes. Introducing our exquisite sew-on rhinestones, crafted from high-quality glass that mimics the brilliance of real crystal. Each piece features a durable silver claw setting for a secure and elegant finish. Unleash your creativity with a generous pack of 100 rhinestones, offering a diverse assortment of shapes including squares, hearts, ellipses, and more. You'll find the perfect size for every project. Choose from 10 stunning colors to perfectly match your vision. Each shape is available in various sizes, allowing for intricate designs and personalized touches. These versatile gems can be easily attached using glue due to their smooth base, or securely sewn on with needle and thread through the convenient bottom holes. Elevate your creations with these beautiful embellishments. They are perfect for adding a touch of sparkle to jewelry, crafts, clothing, shoes, costumes, and garments. Experience the superior quality and radiant shine of our glass rhinestones. The silver-plated claw settings ensure they remain beautiful and securely attached to your projects. What we like. This option provides a stunning variety of mixed shapes and sizes, all crafted from high-quality glass for maximum sparkle. The included silver claw settings are designed for easy sewing onto garments. If you enjoy the traditional method of sewing on embellishments and want to add unique, crystal-like details to jewelry, costumes, or garments, this is an excellent selection. What people say. The rhinestones are very sparkly and add a beautiful touch to crafts. They are easy to apply with glue and stay on well. The variety of sizes included in the pack is great for different projects. Number 3. ASTARON 50G Mix Flatback Rhinestones Half Pearls. You will receive a generous 50G mix of flatback half pearls and rhinestones in various colors and sizes. This set also includes a pair of tweezers and a point drill pen for your convenience. Crafted from high-quality resin, these half pearls and rhinestones boast a bright, smooth, and shiny finish. They are lightweight yet beautiful, and come in multiple sizes from 3mm to 10mm to suit all your crafting needs. These flatback embellishments are perfect for a wide range of DIY projects. Decorate phone cases, tumblers, nail art, shoes, clothes, bags, and so much more to make your items truly stand out. Achieving stunning results is effortless. Simply ensure the surface you wish to decorate is clean, apply glue, and adhere these flatback gems wherever your creativity takes you. Design one-of-a-kind gifts for any occasion, from holidays to birthdays. They are also perfect for fun DIY sessions with family, creating beautiful decorations together. What we like. This set features a beautiful mix of half pearls and rhinestones made from lightweight, shiny resin material. The assortment of sizes makes it incredibly versatile for various projects. If you're looking to add a subtle yet elegant shimmer to items like tumblers, phone cases, nail art, or shoes, and prefer a flatback design for easy gluing, this is a fantastic choice for adding a touch of sophistication. What people say. These rhinestones are perfect for adding sparkle to craft projects. The adhesive on the back of these rhinestones is strong and holds well. The variety of sizes and shapes included in this pack is fantastic for different design needs. Number 2. Chenkou Craft 5mm Assorted Gradient Pearl Beads. Discover a stunning collection of 5,000 imitation pearl beads. These 5mm beads come in 15 beautiful gradient colors, perfect for any project. Unleash your creativity with these versatile half-flatback beads. Their smooth, flat surface makes them ideal for scrapbooking, DIY crafts, and more. Crafted by Chenkou Craft, these plastic beads offer durability and a beautiful finish. You'll receive approximately 340 pieces of each color. Keep your beads organized and accessible with the included clear plastic box. Everything you need is right here for your crafting convenience. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting, these beads are a fantastic addition to your supplies. They add a touch of elegance to any handmade item. Explore a wide range of 15 assorted gradient colors. Each hue blends seamlessly, offering a unique visual appeal for your designs. What we like. This product offers a massive quantity of imitation pearls in a beautiful gradient of 15 assorted colors. The 5mm size is consistent and perfect for many DIY crafts. If you need a large volume of consistent, colorful pearls for scrapbooking, card making, or bulk crafting projects where color variety and quantity are key, this is an economical and practical option. What people say. The rhinestones are very sparkly and add a nice touch to crafts. They are easy to apply and stay on well with glue. The variety of sizes included in the pack is great for different projects. Number 1. 1000 PCSAB Colorful Rhinestones Crystal Gems. Introducing our collection of approximately 1000 AB colorful rhinestones. These gems come in a variety of shapes and sizes, perfect for all your crafting needs. Explore a wide range of 21 different shapes and sizes, including round, water drop, sharp circle, and horse eye. You'll have plenty of options to bring your creative visions to life. Crafted from high-quality acrylic with exquisite color electroplating, these gems boast vibrant colors and luster that won't easily fade. They shimmer beautifully under any light. These versatile gems are perfect for a multitude of applications. From nail art and makeup to decorating phone cases, greeting cards, and party favors, let your imagination run wild. Add a dazzling touch to your costumes for Halloween, cosplay, or any festive occasion. They are ideal for embellishing clothing, accessories, and even for creating stunning face and body art. These radiant gems are designed to catch the light and sparkle brilliantly. They are the perfect choice to make your project stand out and truly shine. What we like. These flatback acrylic rhinestones boast a stunning AB colorful effect, meaning they shimmer and change color beautifully under light. With a wide variety of shapes and sizes, they are perfect for adding eye-catching sparkle. If you want to create dazzling effects for cosplay, costumes, nail art, or party decorations and love a vibrant, iridescent finish, these gems will make your creations truly stand out. What people say. These rhinestones are perfect for adding sparkle to various craft projects. The adhesive on the back of these rhinestones is strong and holds well on fabric and paper. They come in a variety of sizes, which is great for creating different designs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.